Hi, I'm here tonight with my second project pan of 2021 and I'm calling this Polish Pan. And I'm going to be panning minis, little minis. And I'm not sure how long it's going to take me to pan one, but I intend to rotate them so I don't get bored. And I'm panning a beige. The brand is Nails Inc. Beige, a rose gold, kind of a rose, not quite, it's not pink but it's not brown either. It's a nice shade, that one. Ballerina pink. That's the one colour out of the 9 that I'm not too keen on. It's a kind of a tan, but there's a yellow undertone to it. I'm not too keen on that one. Red. I do like red polish, but I'm not too keen on this red because it has a kind of an orange undertone to it, but I will pan it. White. A metallic burgundy, and this is the one I have on my nails tonight. It's a kind of a grey, a whitish grey, which I thought looked nice enough for the top coat. So those are the polishes that I intend panning, and there's nine for my polish pan for 2021. And the other nail product that I'm panning in 2021 is this. It's the Sally Hansen Nail Rehab, and I've used that much of it. And I use it as an undercoat on top of those. The problem with those is that you can't see when you have actually hit pan or used up. So I'm just going to have to go with my guess. The one I used today, I can tell it's getting kind of gloopy, and you actually can see down into them. So I don't think there's much left in that one. The red is definitely full. That one is full and the whiter one is full. And I've used that once or twice, so I know that one's not full. And the ballerina pink one is pretty full too. So that's my nail challenge for 2021. 9 polishes and the nail base or nail rehab. This is my nail polish pan challenge for 2021, and I'll do an update once a month and let you know how I'm getting on and if I finished any of them and what I think of them as regards how long it takes to finish a small polish, because I never actually have finished one of them. So they're getting quite old, and if I don't use them up now, they will be expired. So thank you for watching the video, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, please. Thanks.